Hello everyone, welcome to new update series. The topic of today's discussion is Sowa-Rigpa. Now why it is in news? Recently the National Institute of Sowa-Rigpa lay under Ministry of Ayush in collaboration with Namgyal Institute of Tibetology NIT Sikkim organized a 2-day national workshop on Sowa-Rigpa for the Sowa-Rigpa practitioners from northeastern states on 20 to 21 May 2022. Now let us know about the Sowa-Rigpa. Sowa-Rigpa is derived from Bodhi language which means knowledge of healing. It is also known as the Amsi system of medicine. Sowa-Rigpa is a traditional medicinal system of Himalayan belt in India. It is first conceived and propounded by Lord Buddha. It is one of the oldest surviving and well-documented medicinal traditions of the world. Sowa-Rigpa originated in India 25 years ago and later it was developed in Trans-Himalayan region. Yutong Yonteng Gompo from Tibet is believed to be the father of Sowa-Rigpa. Now, where it is practiced? Sowa-Rigpa is popularly practiced in Ladakh, Sikkim, West Bengal, Himachal Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, in numerous Tibetan settlements in India. According to government data, there are around 1000 practitioners of this system in India. It is also practiced in countries like Bhutan, Mongolia, Tibet, China, Nepal, and parts of Central Asia. It is acknowledged as a traditional medicinal system by government of India, Bhutan, Mongolia and Tibet. Now let us also know about the fundamental principle of Sowa-Rigpa. Sowa-Rigpa is based on the principle of Pancha Mahabhutas and 3 dosa, which means bodies of all living beings and non-living object of the universe are composed of Prithvi, Jal, Agni, Vayu and Akash. This is the fundamental principle of Sowa-Rigpa. And also let us know about the National Institute of Sowa-Rigpa, NISR. It is an autonomous national institute under the Ministry of Ayush. It is located in Leh and acts as apex institute for the Sowa-Rigpa system. It aims to preserve, promote, develop Sowa-Rigpa as a model institute, evolving high standard of teaching, training, research and development and patient care. So this is all about Sowa-Rigpa. Thank you so much and stay tuned for the next series. Thank you.